Alright, so in this video we're going to talk about Joby Aviations, and they are on track for FAA certification and currently building their first, what they call is a vertiport. This is the monthly chart, and you can see various levels of interest. You did have support at $3, more support at $4, as indicated by these wicks. Then you had more support at $5. Right, so all these support levels indicate that price is reversing, and it has. Then you have your first sign of resistance near that $7.50 level. And then you have support, which should be resistance at $10. All right, so before we look at levels of interest on the smaller time frames, such as the weekly and the daily, let's get into the news. So eVTOL aircrafts are set to revolutionize urban mobility, blending the agility of helicopters with the sustainability of electric power. It's promising to drastically reduce travel time and environmental impact with zero emissions. As companies such as Joby Aviation prepare for liftoff, eVTOLs represent the dawn of a new era. The market opportunity is massive too, with some projecting that the total, which is TAM, total addressable market for urban air mobility, could grow to $1 trillion by 2040. That's pretty big. Now, Joby Aviation has spent the past 15 years developing eVTOLs, also known as flying taxis. These flying vehicles can take off, land, and hover vertically. These vehicles are similar to helicopters, except that they are emission-free and significantly quieter thanks to their electric motors. However, the technology has other exciting use cases too. For example, these nimble aircrafts could navigate remote or difficult to access areas, making them great for search and rescue missions. They could also be used for transporting essential medical supplies and other cargo that need to be delivered quickly and efficiently. So in November, Joby broke ground on constructing its first vertiport in its planned Dubai air taxi network. Joby aims for initial flights in Dubai in the first half of 2025, with full commercialization coming in the latter half of the year. From there, the company plans to expand its air taxi service to highly density markets, including New York City and LA. However, it will take time for Joby to scale manufacturing and achieve commercial operations on a larger scale, leaving the stock best suited for very aggressive investors. All right, so going back to the charts, and we're going to go down to the weekly chart. And again, just those levels of interest are more pronounced. Again, support at $5, resistance at $7.50, which should be support now. You can see we had support, now resistance. Again, resistance at $9. I do have a final target, at least in the medium term, at $10. Let's analyze that daily buy level, which was formed back in late November. You had this rallying price, a basing candle, rally out, taking out the pivot high to the left. Rightfully so, when price pulls back, you have those buyers who didn't get their initial bag filled on December 20th before prices move higher. So now you do have some consolidation. Because price did not penetrate this level more than 50% in this zone is still good to take another stab. Again, look for price eventually to breach and close above $9 with a medium-term target at that $10 level. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.